Hello friends, this is Adithya and you're watching Electric Vehicles India. Friends, welcome to EV News. In this video, let's discuss some of the latest updates and interesting news from our EV industry. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Friends, first news is from MG. While other car makers like Tata and Hyundai are increasing their car prices, MG has announced a huge discounts on their electric cars. Currently, MG offers two electric car models in India and they are MG ZS EV and MG Comet EV. MG Comet EV is available in three variants and they are Pace, Play and Plush. The previous ex-showroom cost of MG Comet EV used to be 7.98 lakh rupees. Now the revised price of the MG Comet EV base variant is 6.99 lakh rupees. MG is offering 99,000 rupees discount on the base variant of MG Comet EV. The second variant Play ex-showroom cost used to be 9.28 lakh rupees. Now the revised ex-showroom cost 7.86 lakh rupees. The top-end variant Plush used to cost 9.99 lakh rupees. Now the revised pricing of the top-end variant Plush is 8.58 lakh rupees. So we are getting from 99,000 to 1.4 lakh rupees discount on this MG Comet EV. This MG Comet EV gets 17.3 kWh battery and MG is claiming 230 kilometers of range in this Comet EV. It will have a 41 bhp peak powered motor. And MG has also announced up to 4 lakh rupees discount on their ZS EV model. Previously, the ex-showroom cost of the MG ZS EV base variant used to be 22.8 lakh rupees. Now they launched a new base variant called Executive that costs you 18.98 lakh rupees. So it's literally 4 lakh less than the previous base variant of MG ZS EV. Now the starting ex-showroom cost of the MG ZS EV is 18.98 lakh rupees. So this is a huge discount on MG electric cars. If anyone of you looking to buy MG electric cars, please head out to your nearest dealership and please take a test ride. Friends, next news is from Tata. The recently electric car offering from Tata is Tata Punch EV. I already made a dedicated video on this Tata Punch EV. The link will be in the description. Please go ahead and watch after this video. So Tata has received a huge amount of bookings on this Tata Punch EV. So Tata decided to ramp up the production of this Tata Punch EV in their plant. Tata didn't disclose the exact figures of the bookings and the exact figures of the production ramping. So if they announce the exact figures, the customers will be panic by looking at the waiting period of this electric car. So by keeping all this in mind, Tata has enclosed the exact figure of their current bookings on Tata Punch EV. But Tata has ramped up the production of this Tata Punch EV and those who have booked Tata Punch EV electric car will get the deliveries soon. So what's your opinion on this Tata Punch EV? Please let me know in the comments. Friends, next news is from Kinetic Energy. Kinetic Energy has launched the electric Luna moped in India. As we all know, Luna is a vintage superbike for 90s kids. So Luna has come back with electric version in 2024. So if you look at the specifications, this Kinetic E Luna is launched in two battery pack variants, that is 1.7 kWh and 2 kWh. 1.7 kWh get 90 kilometers of range, 50 km per top speed, and it will take 3 hours to get it fully charged. The starting ex-showroom cost of this 1.7 kWh variant is 99,990 and the 2 kWh gives you 110 kilometers of range. It will go up to 50 kmph top speed and it takes 4 hours to get it fully charged, and the ex-showroom cost of this 2 kWh variant is 74,990. These are introductory prices. Anytime Kinetic may increase the prices of this E-Luna electric vehicle. This E-Luna is launched in a total of 5 colors and it will bear a load capacity of 150 kgs, and this gets with a lot of customizable options. As per Kinetic, their target is to sell 1 lakh E-Lunas by next April. They launched this electric moped with a decent price range, but let's see how it will go into the market. Friends, next news is from Matter EV. Finally, the Matter EV has commenced the test rides for their Matter Aera electric bike for only media. Due to some reasons, I couldn't able to attend this media test ride, but some of the YouTubers has already posted their reviews on the YouTube. So by looking all those reviews, so I can say that the fit and finish and the riding quality of this electric bike is decently good, but there is scope for improvement in some segments like the panel gaps and the overall build quality of that electric bike, and this comes with a premium price tag, but the range which they are offering for this premium price tag has not judging it. So as per me, those who have booked this Matter Aera electric bike, please keep your bookings, and those who are going to book this electric bike, please wait until the first batch of this electric bike deliveries commence. So what's your opinion on this Matter Aera? Please let me know in the comments. Friends, next news is from Ministry of Heavy Industries. How many of you know how many EV charging stations are currently running in India? I think none of you have know. So currently in India, we have 12,146 public EV charging stations. So in that, Maharashtra has the highest EV charging stations with 3,079. Delhi is in the second position with 1,886. Karnataka is in the third position with 1,041. In AP, we have 327, and in Telangana, we have 481 public EV fast charging station. So this report is presented by Ministry of Heavy Industries, and with the help of Ministry of Power, companies are coming forward to set up public EV fast charging stations because of their initiatives and subsidies. And most of the state governments are also showing interest to set up public EV fast charging stations in their particular states. So how many of you using the EV fast charging stations in your day-to-day usage? Please let me know in the comments. Friends, next news is from Tesla. In India, no one cares if the company couldn't able to deliver the promises which they have shown in the launch event. No one cares if any fire accident has been done in any of the electric vehicles. But whereas in US, the rules will be very strict. Recently, 21 lakh Tesla electric cars has been recalled for some small issue. So, according to National Highway Traffic Safety Administration of US, they found in Tesla electric car, the dashboard warning lights is showing in small font size. So that has to be shown in the big font size as a driver can see it clearly. So to resolve this issue, Tesla has recalled 21,93,869 electric cars. So the electric cars which they sold since 2012 has been recalled. So the models include Tesla Model 3, Model Y, Model X, Model S, and even Cybertrucks too. Tesla didn't recall all these electric cars to the service stations. So Tesla has resolved this issue by providing a small OTA update. As we say, modern problems have model solutions. So Tesla has also solved this problem by providing a small OTA update. Friends, last news is from Apple. Since few days, Apple Vision Pro became trending in the internet. Many of the US residents has bought this Apple Vision Pro and they are misusing it. Some of the users wearing this Apple Vision Pro and driving Tesla electric cars. As Tesla electric car has autopilot feature, so they are turning on this autopilot feature and they are playing in this Apple Vision Pro. Apple clearly wants not to wear this Vision Pro when they are driving a physical vehicle. And as per US rules, the autopilot feature can be used only with the help of a physical man. So this raised safety concerns in the US. So by saying all this, we can say that US citizens are misusing the Apple Vision Pro. So this is a serious safety threat to the US traffic. So the usage of this Apple Vision Pro should be limited only to their houses. While driving the cars, they shouldn't be used. What's your opinion on this? Please let me know in the comments. So friends, these are some of the latest news and interesting updates from our EV industry from past 1 week. What's your opinion on this video? Please let me know in the comments. And if you found the video informative, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Electric Vehicles India. Go green, go electric.